Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to walk through a really useful iPhone trick, how to turn on the preserve camera mode setting. This is based on my personal experience, and I find it super handy. Okay, so first things first, let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Got it? Great. Now, scroll down until you see the camera option. Tap on that. Alright, in the camera settings, look for something called Preserve Settings. Found it? Click on that too. Now, at the very top of this screen, you'll see Camera Mode. All you need to do is toggle that switch to the on position. What this does is preserve the last camera mode you used. So the next time you open the camera app, or even use the action button to launch it, it'll open right up to the last setting you had, whether that was video, portrait, or whatever you were using. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'll be sure to check them out. You can also find some related links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.